other, but we can't act on it, 'cause you belong to somebody else.
Hey, it's Kiwi back with another video. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. And I'm thinking maybe I should do some pinks. My favorite color is pink, if y'all don't know by now. So let's begin. First, I'm going to moisturize my lips with some Vaseline. You know, I don't want to be looking dry out here. Then I'm going to move on to priming my eyelids with some NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the color Caramel. I'm going to basically blend it in with this little blending brush, and I'm going to blend it all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to take some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I'm going to blend that in as well all over my eyelids, just so that the eyeshadow won't look flaky when I apply it on my eyelids. I'm going to take a small Tarte palette, and I'm going to use a pretty powder pink on my eyelid as the base. Just to give my eyelids some depth. I'm going to place it in my crease and all underneath my crease. This pink is more darker than powder pink. It's like it has some purple tones. So now I'm going to grab another color out of the Tarte palette, and it's going to be more of a shimmery pink, and I'm going to put it at the bottom of my eyelids. So now I'm going to be using some Mabelline New York Color Tattoo Eye Comb in the color Gilded Rose. I'm just going to make pretty much a cut crease with a wing. Here I'm going to be using the e.l.f. face primer. It's pretty good. I really like it. It's very lightweight, and it keeps my face nice and bright. It is called the Brightening Lavender. That is the color. So I'm just gonna rub it in like lotion and just put it on my cheeks and my forehead and my chin. I'm gonna use some color corrector. It's like on a peachy side color, and I'm gonna use the color corrector for, like, you know, sometimes maybe I might have some deep dark circles around my eyes. They're not that bad, but I just want to correct them, so I'm gonna use the color corrector. I'm gonna blend the color corrector in. So now I'm gonna be putting some foundation on my face. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro in the color Chai 28. My favorite parts, I'm gonna add some concealer underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, and my chin, and my Cupid's bow.
30 hertz, straight up.
I'm gonna blend it all in with this beauty blender. I like to use the small beauty blenders because they can get right up under there in all the little small creases. Now I'm going to be contouring, and I'm going to use this dark shade right underneath my cheekbone. I'm just going to use the powder because the powder is dark enough. I don't need to add any cream or anything like that. I'm going to buff this in, going in a circular motion, just bringing it more towards the bottom. Keeping it at the same distance underneath my cheekbone, but I'm just bringing it down a little bit.
30 hertz, straight up.
I will mention all the products that I used, and I will put them down in the description box below. So now I'm just sculpting around my forehead, around my hairline, and underneath my chin. Just sculpting so that I won't have such a round face. And I'm going to snatch that nose as usual. I'm going to snatch it.
30 hertz, straight up.
going to use the Too Faced Sketch Marker You're So Too Faced Black Liquid Art Eyeliner, just to tighten those eyes up a little bit. And this is one of my favorite eyeliners that I do use when I use them, because I don't do eyeliner a lot, but this is my favorite, especially because it is waterproof and because it has such a precise point. Like the point on the pen is actually really precise and tight. And really
straight up.
To line my lips with the NYX Lip Liner crayon in the color Edge Pink. I'm going to line my lips with this just to give that illusion of a much more plumper lip. Then I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss Butter Me Up lip gloss in the color Peaches and Cream. Then I'm going to add this Tarte's lip paint in the color Namaste, which is my favorite. And I'm going to use this in the middle of my lips because I want to create an ombre effect. And then I'm going to add the NYX Professional Makeup Dewy Finish Setting Spray just to bring some life back to my face and set everything, powders and all, foundation. And that's one thing I love about this foundation, is not too sticky or dewy looking. This is a very matte finish. Even though I'm using a dewy finish setting spray, it just brings everything together when I use the matte foundation, the Bare Minimals foundation. Everything looks so much more natural. It doesn't look caked up. Everything just looks natural. So this is the finished look. Somebody come bling my hotline. If you like this video and you like the look that I created, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click the notification bell when you would like to be notified when I create new content. Thanks. See you later.